So over here, you can see that I have some videos, and if you want to add in details to the videos, then you can click on the gear icon on which you want to add in the details. So once you do that, you can go around over here, and then here you can see that you can click to change the title of the video, for example. So I'm just going to type into the tube right here. And you can see the view details over here, and you can also add in keywords related to the video right here so that it's easily searchable. You can also add in description right here. Let's say, for example, you can click outside to see what you can do. So you can also go around and then tag out video timings over here. So you can say something like welcome right here. And let's say, for example, 0, 0, and 02 seconds right here is something important. So you can go around and tag around the timing over here as well. So this becomes clickable, as you can see. So you can go around, other people will be able to actually use this timing stamps right here. That is the viewers. So over here at the bottom, you can see that this thumbnail is selected by default right here. You can also select out other thumbnails, as you can see, according to how you like it. Or you can click on upload, and you can go around and upload out your own video, that is own thumbnail over here as well. So once you do that, what happens is that your own thumbnail will be uploaded, and that is what other people will see when you're sharing out the link with others. And you will also be able to see the same over here on your home. So if I were to go around over here, let me just go around over here on to, let's say, home right here. Let me just go around and refresh out this page. And once you do that, what will happen is that you will see it as a thumbnail, as you can see, just like that. So that is how you can add in video details inside of Prezi video files. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.